Hey everybody, I'm so glad that you decided to take this course. Storytelling is absolutely where it's at, and we've known this for a long time, but things like TEDx have really made this clear to everyone who does any kind of presenting on any level. This could be live presentations, this could be on camera, this could be boardroom meetings, this could be water cooler conversation. Stories are the way that we connect with our audience. Stories are the way that we change people's lives. It is through our experiences that we can affect others. My stories will affect my audience. Your stories will affect yours. But the bottom line is people can't connect to facts. People connect to experiences. And that's why we're going to dive into some really important strategies that will make your stories be stories that change lives. And they're really very different. What is it about certain stories that resonate with us where others don't? In this course, I'm going to cover things like picking your stories. What are the deciding factors that you need to consider when you pick the stories that you're going to tell? Where to put the stories, how many stories to tell, what your audience really needs, what bits of information, the parts of the story should you include. We're going to cover things like authenticity and stepping into vulnerability, breathing, and of course we're going to cover ways that you can utilize your voice power for maximum effect. Because for stories to really have an effect on us, they need to touch our emotions. Our emotions are touched when our senses have been affected. And all of that comes from your words delivered by your voice. The words are the message, the voice brings them to life. I have no doubt that by the time you're finished with this course, you're going to look at storytelling in a whole new way, and you're going to approach your stories in a way that absolutely guarantees your success on an education, personal, and business level. Get ready to connect with others like never before as you step into vulnerability and tell stories that truly change lives. Let's get started.